I have just a few more examples of using zero product property. So on this particular problem, what I'm going to be doing is, since it's already set equal to 0, I'm just ready to solve by factoring. So I'm going to put 3x times an x, because that's the only thing that will give me 3x squared. I'm going to put my 7 over here and my 1 here, because I get a 1x and a 21x. I'll get a negative 20 by putting a negative with the 21. So I need a negative here and a positive there. 3x plus 1 equals 0, and x minus 7 equals 0 will give me my solutions. Subtract 1 from both sides and divide by 3. X equals negative 1/3 is one of my solutions. My second solution can be found by adding 7 to both sides, and x equals 7. In this problem, I have it set equal to 0, and it's already factored. So I'll take each part, set it equal to 0. I'll subtract 5 from both sides, x equals negative 5. Second part, I'll add 5 to both sides, 6x equals 5. Divide by 6, x equals 5, 6 is my answer. Two more problems. This one, again, is not set equal to 0, so I need to move the 18 over and the 11. So I'll subtract 18x and I'll add 11. 7x squared minus 18x plus 11 equals 0. When I factor, I have 7x and an x. I'll put 11 here and a 1, so that way I get an 11x and a 7x. I need to create a negative 18, so that means both of these need to be negative. 7x minus 11 equals 0, and x minus 1 equals 0. Add 1 to both sides, x equals 1 is one of my solutions. Add 11 to both sides, I get 7x equals 11. Divide by 7, x equals 11 sevenths. That's my second solution. In my last problem, again, it's not set equal to 0, so I need to move everything so that it can set it equal to 0. So I'll subtract a 9x and I'll add a 3. So I have x squared minus 9x plus 3 equals 0. When I try to factor this, it is not factorable. I cannot in any way, shape, or form ever get a 9 inside of there. So I'm not going to say this doesn't have any solutions. However, I cannot solve this by factoring, and I have to use another method which we haven't learned yet. So I will just simply write, I cannot solve at this time using the factoring method. Another method will have to be used. We will learn that method another day.